Hey everyone, welcome back to Penn Orchard. This is going to be our first project of the spring here. I've got this old milk house that I'm going to try and restore a little bit. So there's going to be a lot of different kinds of work. I've got some siding stuff to do, some concrete restoration. I've got to build new windows, a new door for it. There's a lot to do. But I think we can get this done in just a couple of weekends. So here we go. Okay, I know it's a little dark in here. I'm going to turn this light on and see if that helps at all. I don't know if it will. But the first thing we need to do is take this old door off. I'm going to try and save as much of the door as possible because I like the old hardware on it. So we'll just clean up the old hardware and try to reuse it if that's possible. Well, that was a little more difficult than I wanted it to be. They used flathead screws to put the hinges on, and they were really hard to get to, and yeah. Okay, so that's the door itself. We need to take the jamb off, and then we'll have a nice clean slate. This is, it's all rotted on the bottom. I don't know how old this door was. I don't think it was the original door, but it's pretty old. If you look down here, the concrete is pretty well gone. I don't know if it wasn't poured right or if it's just that this house is about 100 years old, so you know, with age comes some pretty bad stuff without upkeep. So here's the door jamb as of right now. We're going to take that out because it's all rotted all down there. And don't worry about this yellow stuff, that's just insulation. I'm going to tear out these windows. They're all busted up. I'm going to build new ones. And then there's a lot of tuck point to do to save this. But this is where we're at so far. So I'll be honest with you, I have no idea how they attach this door jamb. There's so many coats of paint over it, I can't see any kind of fasteners. So we're just going to start whacking on it and try and pull it out. There's one. Okay, so they use two nice leg bolts in here, so I gotta find a socket and see if I can get these undone. Looking at the door jamb, it doesn't look like this wood is that old, but definitely aged horribly. Alright, let me go find a socket. I'll get this off and we'll be back. Okay, so we've got the two sides done. And I was debating on if I even want to take this top one down because it's in good shape. But it's a lot of work to sand that all down with all this paint on there. For what I want to do with it, I think it's going to be better if I just take it down and replace it. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this top rail down, and then we're going to start on the cement repair so that we can have a nice solid surface for the door jamb. So I've got two nails coming down that I can't seem to push up all the way because it looks like they're right under one of the joists. So I'm going to get my Sawzall and cut those out in a little bit. Right now I think while we're working on the wood part, I'm going to take this window out on the front and start building new windows. So let's see how it goes.